Let's install your Nest Doorbell battery step by step, so you can enjoy smart security at your front door without the hassle of wires. Charge the doorbell fully using the provided USB-C cable before you begin. Choose a location near your door where the camera has a clear view of visitors. Make sure the spot has a strong Wi-Fi signal to ensure smooth video streaming. Use the included wall plate and screws to attach the doorbell securely to the wall or door frame. If needed, use the angled wedge for a better view of your entryway. Snap the doorbell onto the plate until you hear it click into place. Ensure the doorbell is securely mounted and positioned for a clear view of visitors. Test the video and audio to confirm everything is working properly. Adjust the angle if needed to cover your entryway effectively. Double-check that the battery is fully charged for uninterrupted performance. That's all it takes to install your Nest Doorbell battery. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy setup tutorials. See you in the next one.